In a world often characterized by chaos and uncertainty, the quest for emotional resilience is crucial. We are bombarded with a constant stream of information and pressures that can easily throw us off balance. In these moments, we yearn for inner peace and stability, a fortress within ourselves. This is emotional invincibility, a state of mind where we are no longer at the mercy of every storm. Imagine navigating life's challenges with unwavering strength and composure. Picture yourself facing adversity with a calm and collected demeanor. This is the promise of Stoicism, offering practical wisdom for emotional resilience. The Stoics believe true happiness comes from our internal state of mind. By controlling our reactions and embracing adversity, we develop an unshakable inner core. The path to emotional invincibility lies before us. Let us begin our exploration. One of the most fundamental tenets of Stoicism is the understanding that we cannot control everything that happens to us, but we can control our reactions to those events. This simple yet profound idea lies at the heart of emotional resilience. It's not external events themselves that cause us suffering, but our interpretations and reactions to them. Imagine this: you're stuck in traffic on your way to an important meeting. The cars are barely moving, the minutes are ticking by, and you feel your stress levels rising. You might be tempted to honk your horn, yell at the other drivers, or stew in frustration. However, none of these reactions will change the situation. Instead of focusing on what we cannot control, the traffic, we should focus on what we can control, our reactions. We can choose to accept the situation with calmness, use the time to listen to a podcast, or simply practice mindfulness by paying attention to our breath. By learning to control our reactions, we take a significant step towards emotional invincibility. The Stoics emphasize distinguishing between what is within our control and what is not. This concept, known as the dichotomy of control, is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy. By focusing on what we can influence, we free ourselves from unnecessary suffering. Imagine you're preparing for a job interview. You've researched, tailored your resume, and practiced answers. You've done everything within your power, but on the day unexpected traffic makes you late. It's easy to fall into self-blame and frustration. The Stoics argue these thoughts are unproductive. Accept what you cannot change and focus on the present moment. While most people try to avoid adversity, the Stoics saw it as an inevitable part of life and an opportunity for growth. By facing challenges with courage, we strengthen our character and understand ourselves better. Seneca, a Roman Stoic philosopher, faced exile, political intrigue, and a death sentence. Despite hardships, he continued to write and teach about Stoicism. He saw adversity as a chance to practice virtue and develop inner strength. Seneca compared life to a stormy sea. Like a captain navigating rough waters, we must navigate life's storms. Embracing adversity transforms trials into triumphs, making us stronger and wiser. Self-discipline is another key principle in Stoicism, considered essential for building emotional resilience. It involves the ability to control our impulses, resist temptations, and make choices aligned with our values, even when faced with difficulties or distractions. This practice helps us stay focused on our goals, persevere through challenges, and ultimately live a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Think of self-discipline as a muscle that grows stronger with consistent exercise. Each time we resist a temptation, stick to a difficult task, or make a healthy choice, we strengthen our self-discipline. This in turn empowers us to make better decisions in all areas of our lives, leading to greater emotional stability and resilience. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, famously wrote in his personal journal Meditations, "The first rule is to keep an untroubled spirit. The second is to look things in the face and know them for what they are." By practicing self-discipline, we can train our minds to remain calm and composed even when faced with challenges or temptations. While not explicitly mentioned in ancient Stoic texts, the practice of mindfulness aligns perfectly with Stoic principles and serves as a powerful tool for developing emotional resilience. Mindfulness involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment, observing our thoughts and feelings without getting swept away by them. This practice helps us become more aware of our emotional patterns, develop greater self-awareness, and ultimately gain more control over our reactions. Imagine yourself feeling overwhelmed by anxiety. Mindfulness techniques such as focusing on your breath or practicing gratitude can help ground you in the present moment, allowing you to observe these anxious thoughts without getting carried away by them. By practicing mindfulness consistently, we can create a space between our emotions and our reactions, giving us the power to choose how we respond to challenging situations. This ability to pause and reflect rather than reacting impulsively is essential for developing emotional resilience and navigating life's ups and downs with greater grace and composure. The Stoics believed that true happiness and fulfillment come not from external validation, such as wealth, fame, or social status, but from within ourselves. They taught that by detaching ourselves from the opinions and judgments of others, we could achieve a state of inner freedom and tranquility, unperturbed by the ever-changing tides of external circumstances. This principle of detachment does not mean becoming indifferent to the world or the people around us. Instead, it's about recognizing that our self-worth is not contingent upon external validation. By focusing on living in accordance with our values and striving to be the best versions of ourselves, we can find true contentment and fulfillment regardless of external circumstances. Epictetus highlighted the importance of focusing on what is truly our own, our thoughts, beliefs, and actions. By focusing on what we can control, our own inner world, we can cultivate a sense of inner peace and stability that cannot be shaken by external events. The teachings of Stoicism, though originating centuries ago, remain surprisingly relevant in our modern world. The challenges we face today, stress, anxiety, pressure to succeed, and constant distractions, might differ in form from those faced by the ancient Stoics, but the underlying human emotions remain the same. The Stoic principles of controlling our reactions, focusing on what we can control, embracing adversity, and detaching from external validation offer timeless wisdom for navigating the complexities of modern life and cultivating emotional resilience. The enduring appeal of Stoicism lies in its practicality. It is not a philosophy confined to ivory towers, but a set of tools and techniques for everyday living. By understanding and applying these principles, we can learn to approach challenges with greater calmness, clarity, and purpose. Incorporating Stoic principles into our lives doesn't require a complete overhaul of our beliefs or lifestyle. Instead, it's about making small, consistent changes in our daily routines and thought patterns. Here are a few practical steps to start applying Stoicism in your life. Practice mindfulness. Start with just a few minutes each day, focusing on your breath, bodily sensations, or sounds around you. This will help you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions. Challenge your negative thoughts. When you experience negative emotions, pause and ask yourself, is this thought helpful? Is it true? Is there another way to look at this situation? Focus on what you can control. Identify areas in your life where you tend to worry about things outside your control. Make a conscious effort to shift your focus to what you can influence. Keep a journal. Reflecting on your day and writing down your thoughts and feelings can help you identify patterns in your emotional reactions and track your progress in applying Stoic principles. Embracing Stoic principles is not a quick fix or a guarantee of a life free from challenges. It is a lifelong journey of self-discovery, growth, and learning to respond to life's ups and downs with greater wisdom and resilience. By incorporating these principles into our daily lives, we embark on a path of personal transformation, one that leads to greater inner peace, fulfillment, and emotional invincibility. Remember, the Stoics were not seeking to become emotionless robots. They understood that emotions are a natural part of the human experience. The key is to learn how to manage our emotions effectively so they don't control us. In a world that often feels chaotic and unpredictable, the Stoic philosophy offers a beacon of hope and a path towards greater inner peace and resilience. By embracing the principles of controlling our reactions, focusing on what we can control, embracing adversity, and detaching from external validation, we can cultivate an unshakable inner core that empowers us to face life's challenges with courage and composure. The journey towards emotional invincibility is not about seeking to avoid discomfort or pain. It's about learning to navigate those experiences with greater awareness, acceptance, and resilience. It's about recognizing that true strength lies not in the absence of challenges, but in our ability to rise above them, learn from them, and emerge from them stronger and wiser than before. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, let us remember the timeless wisdom of the Stoics. The path to emotional invincibility lies before us. Let us embark on this journey with courage, determination, and an open heart.